Have you ever wondered what happens when you close the refrigerator? Whether or not the light actually turns off? Well, now you can answer your childhood's biggest conundrum with the Super Lit Reader, created by me, Michael Chang.
And Mansoor Sayed, the narrator. This device utilizes an Arduino board equipped with a display, which is right here, a piezo element, which is basically a buzzer, and a photoresistor, which is over here. The photoresistor is an electronic device with variable resistance based on exposure to light. Then, using analog input on a breadboard, we can determine how bright surroundings are.
Let us demonstrate. So, first, the LCD screen describes the state it's in, either lit or dark. And then the second line on the LCD describes how many seconds it has been in that state, lit or dark. Now, let us demonstrate what happens when it is dark.
As you can see, the LCD now says it's dark. And it also, as you can probably hear, buzzes. The buzzer is set to its resonant frequency when it's dark, so that it's as loud as possible. That sounds better now. Now, let us figure out if the light in the fridge really does turn off. Let's see. How many seconds? It's been lit for... Let's wait till 10. Now let's put her in the fridge. Okay. What is that noise? You probably can't hear it, but we can. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's only been lit for 4 seconds. Well, that means it's definitely was not lit the entire time.